What's up, y'all? This is JT. The very last couple hours of the sale, I picked up the three-piece subcompact kit, and that comes with the impact wrench 3/8 and drill and impact. Now this is just a drill driver, or whatever they call it, which I think all drills are drill drivers, but anywho, it just comes wedged in the box inside the bag, which is kind of nice, but I'm sure there's packing material in here. And if you guys wait, you may be able to pick up this kit on sale again sometime. But wow, these batteries are really tiny. My son is enjoying the box it came in. 2 bars from the factory, that's about normal. So that's 2 more batteries, so that means I have 8 altogether. 2 bars. Then take out some stuff, and VCG had done an unboxing and like review type deal, and he was complaining about the charger being too small or whatever. But if you've had these tools, like Ridgid tools, the other chargers are huge. They are huge, and this is very compact. So that's also going to be a plus. I mean, it is super compact compared to the size of the battery itself. They're basically the same size, and the reason that they could do that is having the inverter actually not inside the charger. So it feels really well built. It's not like junky or anything. But as for if it's a high rate charger, I doubt that. But also you get all your instructions, and of course that's how you register your tools and the specs and maintenance and everything else like that. I'm sure there's maintenance on all these tools, like you gotta grease some and do different things. Here is the drill. And now what I like about these tools is they are actually brushless, as far as I know. At least the impact and the impacts are. They are brushless, because I've seen teardowns of them. But if you can't really put into perspective the size of these. This is my hand. Look how small that is. That is ridiculous. Like, even the little battery, like the tool, is the same size as the battery. So that's just insane. Very excellent build quality just right off the bat. You can feel this tool is not a DIY tool. This is pretty much prosumer slash, take it on a job site. And there is a little space in the plastic molding, but I'm sure that's no big deal. The screw could be loose, or it could have been put together incorrectly. But another thing that I like, well, let me see something real quick. Another thing they like that they send with these tools is they have 2 magnetic bit holders, and I can actually probably attach these to my other main impact, which is a Gen 5X. I think. I don't know. They may have a little bit different hook system. But I always, on my tools, I put the belt hooks on, because a lot of times when I'm carrying my tools back to the car or wherever to the site, it makes it a lot easier. So this is pretty much everything you get in the box, including the plastic. My son is having a blast with the box. I tell you what, don't ever buy your kids toys, just give them boxes. But let's see what these sound like. It's got a soft start to it, and it doesn't sound like it spins very fast at all. I'll have to test this sucker out. But yeah, it weighs about 2 pounds or something. 2.5 pounds. That's crazy. And the light does have a delay. On these, there is no dedicated light switch, which is strange for me because all the tools have that. Let's see if we can switch it. Sounds really nice. This one actually spins quite a bit faster, it seems like, than the Impact. Let's see if we have a ratcheting chuck. This is taking forever. Oh, I don't think I'm in drill mode. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This has a straight up lock, like you click it and it locks. Like it's not a ratchet, it's like a lock. And then it does ratchet. And then I wonder if you have to click it back. Says release is that way and grip is tightening. This feels really nice in the hand, I gotta say. Like, these don't feel like toys. They look like toys, but they do not feel like toys. Okay, let me pause this and get this other one to open. We'll just go ahead and do the whole thing at once. Okay, this is the Subcompact Impact wrench. I don't know if I can get this out of here with one hand. Let's use my foot. Oh boy. He's really enjoying the boxes. Here, hold this. I cannot do this one. Oh, that was easier. You got your instructions. Your belt clip, which is cool. I like those. And this tool, wow. I mean, it's tiny, but it seems extremely well built. I mean, extremely well built. This back right here, I do believe is like a nylon plastic. And these little compact batteries, they slide in a lot easier than the normal ones. This little sucker has torque steer. You got your different modes. I do not like these push button ones because I had one go bad once. But you can make this sucker go super slow in case you're working on like really fine fasteners on your car. I'll be testing all these tools out. That right there is speed 2, and that seems too powerful for your normal everyday like 10mm bolts. You'd snap those like in a heartbeat. That's where I use these for. You like it, buddy?
What's that?
This is a little impact wrench.
Huh?
That one's a little heavy. Is it heavy?
What's that?
Here, pull it faster. There you go. What about this one? Is this one heavy?
This one's tiny.
Tiny?
Look.
doesn't have a battery in it. So yeah, I'll get him to use these here in maybe a year or two. Put him to work. And it does come with this this bag for the drill and the impact driver, but I do not know if they will all fit. And I'm gonna go really quickly. You gotta do some work. Zip, zip. I'm gonna go grab my other impact and we'll compare the size. Well, my son is just enjoying this. Did you just shove something in there? Please tell me you didn't shove nothing in there. Oh no. Oh, I think he shoved a fuzz in there. That's on speed 2. Okay, real quick, what I'm going to do is compare the speeds. This is a 2 amp hour, and it's running on limp mode because there's only one bar left. See, listen to the sound. Yeah, you can tell the batteries. Hold on, bud. Oh. Hold on, buddy. I gotta change the battery out for this gigantic one that weighs more than the tool. Oh yeah. Even the 3 amp hour, it makes quite a bit of difference because that one's running on limp when it gets down so far. And this is the size comparison between the Gen 5X brushless. I mean, it's just so much smaller. The light configuration is obviously going to be way crappier, but it's not bad. So this one spins a hell of a lot faster. And I'm not sure what the RPM on this tool is because he was playing with the box down there. Let's see what the RPM difference is. The impact says 1,800 inch-pounds. I don't believe that to save their lives. There is no RPM that I see. Oh, specifications. Here we go. On the drill driver, no load speed and speed 1 is going to be 0 to 450 and 0 to 1750 in speed 2. 400 inch-pounds maximum, that's probably going to be on speed 1. And the impact driver is going to be 0 to 2900. There's no way that could be. There's no way that could be true. Because this one is rated for 2750. And I mean just I don't see how that spins faster. But a little size comparison on the drill. And this is where you're going to really see the difference. The drill. Because this is a hammer drill in the back. And the one on the front is not. This is a plastic chuck. This is metal. And And I do believe the noise has just concluded this video. We're going to do some tests in a later video. I got to charge the compact batteries up. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.